Hello and welcome to this lesson series. My name is Esther Okolie. I am a junior data scientist, global communities in the Laboratory of Data Science at Purdue University, Fort Wayne. In this video and the subsequent videos, we will be discussing a very exciting and important subject area known as data science. So stick around and tag along if you want to learn more about data science. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the definition of data science. Okay, let's begin. So, data science can be broken down into three parts. The first is data collection, the second, data analysis, and finally, problem solving. So, each of these three parts make up data science and they are followed in an orderly manner. So, first thing we do is data collection, followed by data analysis, and finally, problem solving. So we'll be looking at each of these definition parts individually to have a better and clear understanding of the definition of data science. And I'm sure that after this lesson today, you will have a very clear understanding of what data science is. Okay, the first is data collection. Data collection is just the same thing the name means, data collection. And it is the process of gathering and organizing data from different sources. It can be from the web, it can be from people. And when we collect and gather those data and information from those sources, that is what is known as data collection. And it's the very first and most important step in data science because what is data science without data, right? Second, and the next part is data analysis. So data analysis is a process of using different techniques and tools. These techniques and tools can be statistical or machine learning techniques, and they are used to identify patterns, trends, and also to derive insights from the data. So you see the data we collected in the first part, we're going to take it, we're going to look at it, we're going to understand it, and whatever it is that we get from the understanding of the data, and what the data is saying, we're going to use it to generate insights to see trends and patterns from it. This is the second step in data science. The last and final step is the problem solving stage. So, in problem solving, we are going to take the insights that we got from the data analysis, that's the second part, and then we're going to use it to make decisions and solve problems. So, first of all, we'll take the data. Then we're going to analyze the data. And finally, whatever it is that we get from our analysis, whatever it is that we're able to do, whatever insights we got, we're going to take it and use it to solve problems and make informed and good decisions. So, to sum things up, and in summary, data science is a field of science that uses insights generated from collected data to solve real world problems and make good decisions. So just like I said before, we first get the data, very important. We need the data in order to be able to perform any data science tasks. We get the data from whatever sources. It can be a structured or unstructured format. So a structured format is like in the form of tables, formatted in rows and columns. So we get the data. After getting the data, we analyze the data. After analyzing the data, then whatever it is that we get from the analysis, we're going to use it to solve problems and make meaningful decisions. So that will be all for our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed and you were able to learn a thing or two about data science today. But before we conclude the class, I would like you to be a part of this fun class activity. I want you to think of other ways of collecting data in your daily activities in life. I want you to, I know that I mentioned a few. I talked about web, I talked about people. So I want you to think about other ones that I haven't mentioned today. Thank you for staying to the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you learned a lot from today's lesson. And I hope I'll see you in the next lesson too. I would also like you to know that this project was supported by the Laboratory of Data Science and the Indiana Data Mine Grant. It is supervised by Professor Alessandro Selvitella at Purdue University, Fort Wayne, and I am still Esther Okolie. Thank you and see you in the next lesson. Bye.